Just, yeah.
I'm behind coming.
Yes!
You're ready to run. So the idea with this thing was we did some work with some geographers who took one of these without tracks down to New Zealand with a laser scanner and a whole load of survey equipment on it, and they were surveying the riverbed.
Wonderful selection of photographs of academics pointing at stuff while teachers look on, from the beginning of the morning to the end.
They took it down there and they operated. We built it in like 4 or 5 weeks or something, less than that even. And amazingly it worked for 6 months, and they used it every day for ages. But then there's a glaciologist friend of mine who goes out to Greenland and does all sorts of survey work out there, and one of the things they do is to tow ice penetrating radar up and down behind a skidoo on the ice cap. And they literally go at 10 kilometres an hour for 10 kilometres in a straight line. Then they turn around and they come back and do the same thing the other way, and they do that all day. So they go out there and it's minus 20 and they're sitting there with their